Ever wondered how the future of connecting flights could look like? If you're a frequent flyer, you're likely all too familiar with the hassles and headaches that come with connecting flights. The current state of affairs is riddled with challenges that can turn any journey into a stressful ordeal. Consider the long layovers, for instance. You're left stranded in limbo, neither here nor there, stuck in an unfamiliar airport. You're miles away from your destination, and there's nothing to do but wait. The hours stretch out before you, turning your exciting trip into a test of patience. Then there's the veritable maze that is the airport itself. Navigating through the labyrinth of terminals, gates, and lounges can be like finding your way through an alien landscape. You're constantly checking signs, asking for directions, and praying you don't end up at the wrong gate. And let's not forget the most nerve-wracking part of it all, the risk of missing your connecting flight. The plane is delayed, the lines at security are long, or you've lost your way in the airport. The clock is ticking, and with every passing minute, your chance of catching that flight dwindles. These are just a few of the common problems that plague the world of connecting flights. It's a system that, quite frankly, leaves much to be desired. But here's the good news. Change is on the horizon. The future of connecting flights holds the promise of a smoother, more efficient, and less stressful experience. Imagine a world where long layovers are a thing of the past, where airports are easy to navigate, and where the risk of missing your flight is virtually eliminated. Sounds like a dream? Well, hold on to your boarding passes because we're about to take off into a future where this dream could become a reality. It's clear that there's much room for improvement in the world of connecting flights, and the future holds exciting possibilities. So buckle up, because we're about to delve into the game-changing trends and technologies that could revolutionize the way we travel. Innovations are taking the aviation industry by storm, and they have the potential to transform our travel experiences. Picture this. You walk into an airport, your phone buzzes with a notification. It's your airline app, automatically checking you in for your flight. No long queues or tedious paperwork. This is not a scene from a sci-fi movie, but a glimpse into the near future. Technology is redefining the traditional check-in process, making it faster and more streamlined than ever. Now let's talk about luggage. We've all experienced the anxiety of waiting at the carousel, praying our bags made the connection. But what if your luggage could be transferred seamlessly from one flight to another, without you having to lift a finger? Innovative solutions are being explored to make this a reality. From using advanced tracking systems to implementing robotics, the industry is in the midst of a luggage revolution. But that's not all. The advent of hyperfast planes is set to take the industry by storm. Imagine traveling at speeds that could cut your flight time in half. Sounds too good to be true? Well, hold on to your armrests because companies are investing heavily in developing planes capable of achieving these mind-boggling speeds. And then there's the potential of point-to-point flights. The idea of hopping on a plane in New York and stepping off in Sydney without any layovers might seem far-fetched. But with the development of long-range aircrafts and fuel-efficient technologies, this dream could soon be a reality. These trends aren't just about convenience or speed. They're about reshaping the entire aviation industry, making flights more efficient, reducing carbon emissions, and ultimately improving our travel experiences. And while it's true that these advancements come with their own set of challenges, there's no denying that they hold immense potential. So, the next time you're about to embark on a journey, remember, the future of air travel is brighter and more exciting than ever. These advancements could make connecting flights smoother, faster, and more efficient. The sky's not the limit, it's just the beginning. Technology has been a game changer in many industries, and aviation is no exception. Imagine a world where you breeze through the airport with your luggage automatically transferred to your connecting flight without a hitch. You receive real-time flight updates directly to your smartphone, and your travel assistance app guides you through every step of your journey, from gate changes to the best dining options near your boarding area. This world is not a distant dream, but an imminent reality, thanks to the technological advancements in the aviation industry. Automated luggage systems are revolutionizing the way we travel. These systems use advanced robotics and tracking technologies to streamline the luggage handling process. Instead of manually moving bags from one plane to another, These automated systems ensure your luggage reaches your connecting flight swiftly and accurately. This reduces the risk of lost or delayed baggage, making your travel experience smoother and more stress-free. Meanwhile, real-time flight updates are making it easier than ever to stay informed about your travel plans. By harnessing the power of big data and artificial intelligence, airlines can now provide passengers with instant updates on flight delays, gate changes, and even the weather at their destination. This means you can adjust your plans on the fly, reducing the uncertainty and stress that often comes with travel. But perhaps the most exciting technological development in aviation is the rise of personalized travel assistance through apps. These apps act as your personal concierge, offering everything from navigation assistance to dining recommendations. Need to find the quickest route to your connecting gate? Your app can guide you there. Craving a quick bite before your flight? Your app can point you to the nearest cafe. These apps are making travel more convenient and enjoyable, allowing you to make the most of your time at the airport. These technological advancements could redefine what we think of as a layover. Instead of a stressful, rushed experience, layovers could become a seamless part of the journey, enriched by technology that enhances convenience and comfort. As we look to the future of connecting flights, one thing is clear: technology is taking us to new heights. The future of connecting flights isn't just about speed and convenience, it's also about sustainability. When we think about the future of air travel, we often picture faster planes, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled comfort. But there's another aspect that's equally important, if not more so: sustainability. The aviation industry is increasingly recognizing the need to minimize its environmental impact. As a result, we're seeing several game-changing initiatives in the world of connecting flights, aimed at creating greener skies. First off, let's talk about electric planes. While they're still in the early stages of development, these aircraft have the potential to revolutionize the industry. Electric planes produce zero carbon emissions, making them a viable solution for a sustainable future. They're also quiet, reducing noise pollution. Imagine the possibility of a connecting flight that doesn't contribute to the greenhouse effect. Next up, we have fuel-efficient aircraft. Manufacturers are going all out to design planes that consume less fuel. They're experimenting with lightweight materials, aerodynamic designs, and advanced engine technology. All of these innovations aim to reduce fuel consumption and, in turn, carbon emissions. And then, there's the concept of carbon offsetting. This involves compensating for the carbon emissions produced by flights by investing in projects that reduce carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Airlines are offering passengers the option to offset the carbon footprint of their journey, contributing to projects like reforestation, wind farms, and solar power plants. This way, even if you're taking a connecting flight, you can do your bit for the planet. But it's not just about the technology, it's about a shift in mindset. It's about recognizing that every journey we take has an impact and making conscious decisions to minimize that impact. It's about choosing airlines that prioritize sustainability, opting for direct flights when possible to reduce carbon emissions, and offsetting our carbon footprint. In the future, we might see connecting flights that are not just faster and smarter, but also greener. So as we look towards the horizon, we see a future of connecting flights that promises not just speed and convenience, but also a commitment to our planet. The skies ahead are indeed looking greener. The future of connecting flights is poised to be an exciting journey. We've traversed the runway of the new flight plan, exploring how airlines are innovating to streamline connections and make your journey as smooth as possible. From apps that guide you through the airport, to redesigned gate layouts, to airlines partnering up to reduce layover times, the face of air travel is changing before our very eyes. We've soared through the emerging trends in flight connectivity, where the rise of digital technology is reshaping the way we travel. The integration of technologies like the Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and augmented reality are set to revolutionize the passenger experience, making it more personalized, more efficient, and more enjoyable. Then we've flown high into the impact of technology on our sky routes. We've seen how advancements in aircraft design and fuel efficiency are making flights faster and more environmentally friendly. We've touched on how innovations like electric planes and solar-powered airports are not just possibilities, but realities on the horizon. And we've touched down on the green skies ahead, where the focus is on sustainable travel. The aviation industry is taking significant strides to reduce its carbon footprint, from biofuels to carbon offset programs. We're not just talking about preserving the planet for future generations, but also about making air travel an industry that's as green as it is global. As we reflect on these insights, it's clear that the future of connecting flights holds a lot of promise. For travelers, it could mean less hassle, more comfort, and a more sustainable way to see the world. For the industry, it could mean greater efficiency, increased profitability, and a stronger commitment to environmental responsibility. As we look to the future, one thing is clear: the sky's the limit for the future of connecting flights.